Everyone, yes, yesterday we did one question that about that linear seating. Some more questions today we can discuss, and tomorrow we can go to circular seating, right? So today we are doing some more examples on linear seating, right? Yes, my students. One question is there on the board. Just check it and try to get the answer. What is given there? Yes, my students, right? Yes. 8% J, K, L, M, N, P, Q and R sitting in a straight line facing north, not necessarily in the same order. Yes. And some conditions are given. L sits third from the right hand and N is an immediate neighbor of J. There are two persons between L and J. K and R always sit adjacent to each other. Q is the neighbor of neither J nor L. N does not like to sit adjacent to L. Neither K nor R sits on the immediate right of J. There is only one person between P and K. M does not sit adjacent to P. So, which of the following pairs sit on the extreme ends of the row? Yes, my students. Very good morning to all of you. Very good morning to all of you. Right? Yes. Yes, my students. Right? Yes. Yes, yes, board is in blue color. Yes, they arranged in blue color. I don't know, right? Yes. No, not in a blue color. I think it is white color only. Yes, Nimmi Sonia, white color only. Yes. I don't know. This one is a new board, I think, right? Yes. Sir, it is not visible clearly, right? Sure. Sure. 8% J, K, L, M, N, P, Q and R sitting in a straight line facing north, not necessarily in the same order. Facing north means, so your right is right and your left is left. Your right is right and your left is left, right? Facing north, right. Now, what is given there once you see right? So, 8 persons are there here, 8 persons are there. If you take here 8 persons here, if you take 8 persons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 persons are there here. Yes, my students, right? Now, some points are, some conditions are given there. Just read which conditions are not having any clarity, you can use later, and which conditions are having clarity, you can use the first. L sits third from the right end, L sits third from the right end, and N is an immediate neighbor of J. So, in this first condition, L sits third from the right hand. It is very clear, the point is very clear. We can use that. Like that, read the paragraph 2-3 times, and which condition we can use at first and which we can use at last. Which we can use at last, which we can use at first. First, we need to find out, right? Yes, my students, right? Yes. Screen is in blue color, not visible clearly. On the light in the room, yes sir, it is not clear. Switch on the light. Board is not clear, board is not clear. Yes, my students, now it is clear. Now it is clear. Yes, my students, now it is clear. Right, we can do right. L sits third from the right end. Suppose if you take this is right end, so we are seeing north direction. It means this is the right end and this one is the left end. So right end and left end, right? Now see, L sits third from the right hand, 1, 2, 3. So, this place is L. It is very clear point. L sits third from the right hand. This point is very clear. L sits, the first point is very clear. Of course, the continuation is there and later we can use it. L sits from the third, from the right end. Yes, my students, right? Now, still what points are very clear? Just to read out. N is an immediate neighbor of J. There are two persons between L and J. there are two persons between L and J. Yes. See, N is an immediate neighbor of J. See once here, N is an immediate neighbor of J. Read that point clearly. N is an immediate neighbor of J. So, there are two persons between L and J. Suppose if you take J here, two persons we are cannot getting. There are two persons between L and J. Yes, if you take J here, two persons we are not getting. Two persons we are not getting. So what we can take here, L and J, there are two persons. So J we can write here. There are two persons between L and J. Yes, my students, right? I think so. It's clear. Everyone is clear. Now, N is an immediate neighbor of J. N is an immediate neighbor of J. So we can write N here or we can write N here. Any one place we can use. Yes, keep that point in your mind. N can be placed here because immediate neighbor. N can be here also we can place immediate neighbor. That point you need to keep in your mind. Still you read the points. Any points are very clear that we can use at first, right? Now see, K and R always sit adjacent to each other. K and R always sit adjacent to each other. Q is the neighbor of J nor L. Q is the neighbor of neither J nor L. Q is, see the point clearly, Q is neighbor of neither J nor L. Yes, my students, right? Q is neighbor of neither J. So we cannot write Q here. 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 Yes, Q is neighbor of neither J nor L. So J neighbors, Q is not there, and L neighbors, Q is not there. So then we can write, maybe if you assume Q, if you write here, what happens you see? N does not like to sit adjacent to L. N does not like to sit adjacent to L. So N cannot be written here. N also cannot be written here. Yes, still what places are there you see? Yes, N cannot be written here. There also N cannot be written. Now what you will get once you see, right? Now see. So here cannot be written means maybe N we can write here. Keep that in our mind. Right, what point we left here? One point we left. N is an immediate neighbor of J. N is an immediate neighbor of J. So N we can write here. N we can write. N we cannot place here. N we can write. Now still what points are there? N does not like to sit adjacent to L. That point is completed. Still what are there you see? Neither K nor R. Yes, my students, see, neither K nor R sits on the immediate right of J. Neither K nor R sits on the immediate right of J. Immediate right of J cannot sit neither K nor R. Yes, immediate right. Now, still what points are there? There is only one person between P and K. There is only one person between P and K. There is only one person between P and K. We cannot write P and K. We cannot write here. So only one person between P and K. Only one possibility, that is P and K. There is only one person between P and K. M does not sit adjacent to P. M does not sit adjacent to P. Adjacent to P is not there. Yes. So we can write M here. One point we left. What is that one point? Yes, K and R on the immediate right of J. K and R on the immediate right of neither K nor R. Yes, still any points? R always sit adjacent to each other. K and R always sit. K and R always sit adjacent to each other. Yes, my students. Yes, my arrangement. Yes, anybody got right? Yes, QMJ, somebody written NP LKR 250250035. Very good, very good, very good, right, very good. Yes, my friends, many of you written the same arrangement. Now all conditions are satisfied here. If you take here, all conditions are satisfied. Now see. So what is our question? Which of the following pairs sit on the extreme ends of the row? Extreme ends of the row. Which of the following pairs sit on the extreme ends of the row? Extreme ends of the row, right? Extreme ends of the row. Which of the following sits on extreme ends of the row? Q and R is there? Yes. Q and R? Yes. Second option. Option number 2. Q and R. Yes, my students. The first question is Q and R. Keep the arrangement in your mind, because the next questions follow on the same arrangement. Yes, my students, right? I think all of you got it, right? Yes, very good. QMJ, NP, LKR. Many of you right? Yes, Ramya, very good. Yes, Ramya, very good. Very good. Yes, somebody is asking once again to explain, right? Yes, what is there? I will explain. Just you see, I will explain what is there. Totally 8 persons are there. If you take the total 8 persons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 persons are there. L sits third to the right end. All are seeing north, it means this is right side. Yes, and this one is left side. Yes, my students, right? This one is right side and this one is left side. So this point is very clear. L sits third from the right. From the right, 1, 2, 3, L sits third from the right. And another point, and N is an immediate neighbor of J. N is an immediate neighbor of J. That point you need to keep in your mind. We didn't use it up to now. We used only L sits third from the right end. So this point you need to keep in your mind. N is an immediate neighbor of J, because we don't know where J placed here. So keep the point in your mind. Yes. What is the next point? There are 2 persons between L and J. Suppose if you take J here, only one person we are getting. So J cannot be placed here. There are 2 persons between L and J. L and J, there are 2 persons. Yes. So this point completely we used here. L and J. Next one. K and R always sit adjacent to each other, means K R combination you will get, or R K combination you will get. You need to keep that point also in your mind. Later we can use, right? Now what is given there, you see. Q is the neighbor of neither J nor L. Q is the neighbor of neither J nor L. Means at the side of L, Q cannot be placed here. At the side of L, Q cannot be placed here. At the side of J, Q cannot be placed here. Yes, at the side of J, Q cannot be placed here. Assume that, yes, if you take Q places here, because all the places we cannot place here, if you assume that side or this side, we can use later, case 1, case 2. N does not like to sit adjacent to L. So N also cannot be placed here. N also cannot be placed here. Yes. And one point we kept in our mind, N is an immediate neighbor of J. So N is an immediate neighbor of J. Yes, my student, this is N. Still what points are there? Neither K nor R sit in immediate neighbor of J. So here KR will not come. So then only one place, this one is KR, this one is KR, right? And now we can go for what is there. Only one person sit between P and K. Between P and K, only one person is there. And the remaining letter is M. Yes, my students? Somebody asked once again. Now, keep this arrangement in your mind. We can go for the next question, right? So, what is the next question once you say? Yes, Jaideepika, right? Very good. Yes. Yes, my students, right? Yes, now see one more question is there on the board, right? Yes, my students, see one more question is there on the board. What is there once you say right? what is the position of J with respect to P? What is the position of J with respect to P? What is the position of J with respect to P? What is the position of J with respect to P? Same arrangement, question I repeated there, same question. What is the position of J with respect to P, they are asking. I think all of you got the arrangement, no, right? You got your arrangement. So, what is the answer here? What is the position of J with respect to P? So, what is our arrangement? Q, M, I think Q, M, J, N. Last question arrangement, P, L, K, R. P, L, K, R. This is the arrangement what we got. Yes, totally 8 places. What is the position of J? What is the position of J with respect to P? Yes, my students, right? Some options are there. Yes, this is left side and this is right side. This one is right side, this one is left side. What arrangement you will get here? Yes, what is the answer? Second to the right, first option. Third to the right, second to the left. Yes, this is P. What is the position of J with respect to P? So, first left, second left. I think option number 3. Yes, second to the left. Option number 3 you will get. Yes, my students, I think option number 3. Many of you written that. Yes, very good, right, very good. Many of you written that. Second to the left, right. Yes, yes, my students, right. Yes. One more example for the same question. One more example for the same question, right. Once you see one more example, right. Yes, now see one more example is there. Yes. How many persons sit between M and W, M and N? How many persons sit between M and N? How many persons sit between M and N? How many persons sit between M and N? Yes, my students, right. How many persons sit between M and N? Let me know how many persons sit between M and N. Yes. For the same arrangement, how many persons sit between M and N? What is the arrangement we got? QMJ. Yes, that is the arrangement we got in the last question. QMJ, NP, LKR. This is the arrangement we got in the last question. Now, the question they are asking, how many persons sit between M and N? Between M and N, how many persons are there? Only one person. So, that is fourth option. Yes, fourth option is correct, right. Yes, my students, right. So, one more question for the same data, right. Once you see one more question for the same data. After that, we can go for the next question, right. Yes. Now, say one more question for the same data, what is given there you see. Yes, my students, right. Yes, my students, right. What is given there? Who among the following seats? Who among the following seats? Second to the right of P. Second to the right of P. Second to the right of P. Yes, my students, right. Second to the right of P. If you take the arrangement here, QMJ, I am writing here arrangement. QMJ, NP, LKR, NP, LKR. Is asking second to the right of P. So, P is here, first right, second right. Second to the right of P. Yes, option number 4. Second to the right of P, option number 4, right side, second right. This is first right, this is second right. Second right, option number 4. Yes, my students, right. One more last question for the same data. Why the questions are coming means, who is the right, who is the left, who is the second right, who is the second left, yes, who is an extremist. To know the data clearly, questions is giving, right. Now, see next one, what is given there is. Last question for the same data, right. Yes, get the answer here. Last question for the same data, what is given there you see. Who among the following sits on the extreme right end of the row. Extreme right end of the row is given extreme right end. Yes, my students, extreme right end of the row. Who sits at the extreme right end of the row? Yes, my students, who sits extreme right end of the row? I think R we got, KR, R. Yes, if you take here extreme right end of the row is R. It means option number 1. Option number 1. Extreme right end of the row. Option number 1. R is at extreme right end of the row. What is our arrangement? Q, M, S, J, N, J, N, S. Our arrangement Q, M, J, N, P, K, P, L, K, R. P, L, K, R. So, this is the extreme right hand, extreme right hand. R is extreme right hand. Q is extreme left. Yes, my students, right? Extreme right hand is R. Yes, now. So, that is the first paragraph what we discussed, right? One more example I will give. The next example, right? Yes, my students, try to get the answer. Next example, what is given there you see. Right, now see. Yes, my students, right. One more example is there on the board. Just try to find out. Yes, one more example is there. A grocer, a doctor, a lawyer, and a tailor, and a barber are the 5 persons seated in a row. The grocer does not wish to sit immediately next to the barber. Like this, some conditions are given there. Use all the conditions and get the arrangement. Only one question for this data, right? Only one question. Yes, my students. What is the question they are asking? The grocer is immediately to the left of lawyer. Who is the middle of the row? Who is the middle of the row? They are asking. Who is the middle of the row? Who is the middle of the row? Middle of the row. Yes, my students. Who is the middle of the row? A grocer, doctor, lawyer, tailor, and barber are the 5 persons seated in a row. The grocer does not wish to sit immediately next to the barber. The barber and the tailor sit immediately next to each other. The lawyer is at the right end of the row. The grocer is immediately to the left of the lawyer. Now, the question they are asking, who is in the middle of the row? Who is in the middle of the row is asking, right? Who is in the middle of the row? This is the question they are asking here. Who is in the middle of the row? Right. Possible arrangements you will get first. Yes. So, if we take the possible arrangements here, so first point, what is the first point here? How many are there? So, grocer, doctor, lawyer, tailor, and barber. 5 persons are there here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 persons. What is the first point here? The grocer does not wish to sit immediately next to barber. No, the barber and the tailor sit immediately next to each other. The lawyer is at the right end of the row. So, right end of the row. So, this is lawyer. This place is lawyer. We can confirm this place because very clear point this is. There is no doubts about that point. The lawyer is at the right end of the row. Yes, my students, right? Now, what is given there you see? Still, the grocer does not want to sit immediately next to barber. The barber and the tailor sit immediately next to each other. Yes, the grocer is immediately to the left of the lawyer. The grocer is immediately to the left of the lawyer. Immediately left of the lawyer, grocer. Grocer. Yes, my students, right? Now, what arrangements remaining 3 places you will get here? What arrangement remaining 3 places you will get here? Yes. What is the point here? Grocer does not wish to sit immediately next to barber. So, barber cannot be placed here. But one more point is there, barber and tailor immediately next to each other. Barber and tailor immediately next to each other. So, barber and tailor, barber and tailor. So, then you will get here doctor. This is case 1, first arrangement. This is case 1, first arrangement. Yes, my students, right? That one is first arrangement. So, what is the second arrangement? Yes, my students, what is the second arrangement? So, lawyer is confirmed. There will not be any change. Grocer also confirmed. There will not be any change. Doctor is also confirmed. Yes, we can write here Tyler and Barber. Tyler and Barber. Yes, my students, right? Yes, what is the third case? Case 3. What is the case 3? Any one of you? Case 3. Can we get one more case? Yes, we can get one more case. Yes. So, lawyer is confirmed here. Lawyer is confirmed. Grocer also confirmed. Yes, what is the point here? Grocer does not wish to sit immediately next to barber. So, here barber should not come, but Tyler can come. Tyler can come. So, Tyler and barber next to each other. So, doctor can be at first place. Yes, my students, right? Three possibilities are there. Three possibilities are there. Yes. Now, what is the answer here? Who is in the middle of the Tyler? Is the doctor or Tyler? Cannot be determined. Cannot be determined. Yes, my students, right. Three possible arrangements we are getting. Yes, my students, doctor, barber, Tyler, grocer, lawyer. Doctor, Tyler. Yes, is given that barber and Tyler sit next to each other. So, we can take barber and Tyler, if not Tyler or barber. If not second place barber and Tyler, we can take, right? Yes, my students, right. Because barber should not sit here. So, three possible arrangements. In the three possible arrangements, middle row, doctor or Tyler. So, cannot be determined. Answer is cannot be determined. Yes, one more example I will give, right? Once you see, what is the next example you see? Next example, right? What is the next example once you see? Right. One more question is there upon, is there on the board? Check once, and what you will get the answer here, right? Yes, my students. 5 people, Pradeep, Kutub, Roz, Sandy and Tez are in a row. Roz sits to the immediate right of Tez. If Pradeep and Kutub have 2 persons sitting between them, which of the following must be true? Yes, my students, right. Yes, what answer you will get here once you see? Yes, my students, right. 5 people are there. Pradeep, Kutub, Ross, Sandy and Tez are sitting in a row. It means that one more condition also, Ross sits immediate right of Tez. If you arrange the possibilities, which one is true here? 4 are there, which one is true? Yes, my students, right. Which one is true? Just you find out. Yes, my students, right. What answer you will get here? We are discussing for the last 3 days linear arrangement, linear sitting, linear arrangement we are doing, right. Linear arrangement. Somebody is asking what is the topic name? Linear arrangement. Linear arrangement we are doing, right. Tomorrow we can do circular arrangement, linear arrangement, linear sitting. Somebody will say linear seating. Linear seating, right. Now see what is given there here. Yes, my students, right. Which one is the correct option here? If you follow what the conditions are given here, which one is following? Yes. Which of the following must be true? Which one is must be true? If you arrange the arrangement, so what answer will get here? Yes, shall we start? Yes, my students, right. What is given there you see? So, what is the first one? Between 5 people are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why I written 4 here? Between Roz sits immediate right of J, between Pradeep and Kutub, 2 persons sitting between them, between Pradeep and Kutub. Suppose if you take Pradeep, between Pradeep and Kutub, 2 persons are there. Case 1 that is. So, that is case 1. Suppose if you take P and Q, between P and Q, 2 persons are there. Yes, sir, why P only? Q we can take it first and P will be here. Case 3. Case 1, case 2, case 3, sir, why P here we can take P and Q here, right. So, these 4 cases we can get. Between Pradeep and Kutub have 2 persons sitting between them. So, then 4 possible cases are possible here. Yes, my students, right? Here 4 cases are possible. Now, what is the next one you see? Raw seeds immediate rate of phase. Raw seeds immediate rate of phase. Raw seeds immediate rate of phase. Yes. Yes, my students, right? What is given that you see? Raw seeds immediate rate of phase. Raw seeds immediate rate of phase. If you take that condition, what you will get you see? Raw seeds between immediate rate of phase. So, here between immediate rate of phase means P, R and T. R means Raws, T means phase. R and T always between P and Q only. Between P and Q only. Yes, my students, right? So, then what answer you will get here? If you take here R and T, R or T, if you take here R or T, if you take here R or T, always in the middle only you are getting, there is no other possibility. Then what place is left here? Only one place, that place is here sandy. That place is here sandy. Yes, my students, right? That place is here sandy. Now, what is asking there here? Sandy is at one of the ends row. If you take this arrangement, one end. If you take this arrangement, one end. If you take this arrangement, another one end. If you take this arrangement, one end. Always this is absolutely true. Yes, option number 4 is 100%. All 4 cases, sandy is coming one of the extreme ends. Very good, very good. Yes, many of you written 4 possibilities. All the possibilities having one of the extreme ends as yes. First possibility, yes is extreme end. Second possibility, yes is an extreme end. Right or left, it didn't ask. What is the condition is given? Sandy is at one of the extreme ends. If you take these 2 ends, yes is one of the extreme ends. If you take these 2 ends, yes is one of the extreme ends. If you take these 2 ends, yes is one of the extreme ends. If you take these 2, yes is one of the extreme ends, right? Yes. So, 100% correct the 4th option. Sandy is one of the extreme ends of the row, right? Yes. Now, the next question I will give, right? See once here, what is given there. I think all of you clear about this question, right? Yes, my students, right. Next one, very good, right? Now, what is there? Just you read it. 5 books on 5 different subjects, physics, chemistry, mathematics, anatomy and botany are arranged on a shelf. The book on mathematics is not at the top or at the bottom. Chemistry book and botany book have exactly 2 books between them, same as mathematics and physics books. Now, which of the following book has to be in the middle of the shelf? Right. Yes, my students, take your own time to write the answers, right. Somebody asked that, please give some time to wrote down. Yes, my students, right. Very good. Yes. Just to find out what you will get the answer here, right. First, you need to find out how many possible arrangements are there. How many possible arrangements are there here? Yes, my students, how many possible arrangements are there? Yes. Take your own time and try to get the answer, no problem at all, right? Yes. Yes, my students, I think many of you started answering right. Yes, so many of you telling anatomy right. Yes, Rivijja, very good. Yes, Rivijja, very good. Yes, somebody written third option. Yes, my students, right. What is the answer for this question? Just you check it, right. Yes, many of you given anatomy. Yes, very good. Can I get from any one of you how many possible arrangements you are getting? Yes, my friends, can I get from any one of you how many possible arrangements you are getting? In all the possible arrangements, all of you getting anatomy only? Yeah? Many of you giving answer is anatomy. First, let me know how many possible arrangements are you getting right? Yes, my students, right? How many possible arrangements all of you getting right? One arrangement or two arrangements or three or more than three? In all the arrangements, all of you getting anatomy only in the middle of the self? Yes, my students, right? Can I get from any one of you what are the possible arrangements? What are the possible arrangements, right? Yes, my students, right. Totally 5 books are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, mathematics we cannot write on the top and the bottom. So, we cannot write maths here. We cannot write maths here, right? We cannot write. We cannot write maths also here, right? Now, what is the next one? Chemistry and botany book have exactly 2 books between them, same as mathematics and physics books, right? Same as mathematics and physics books, right? Exactly 2 books. Mathematics and physics also having exactly 2 books. So, what is here? Anatomy. Yes, we can change the next one. We can change another arrangement, right? So, why to write botany here? We can change, right? Yes, my students, right. Yes, very good, very good. I think, right, many of you answered. In all the possible arrangements, middle of the one is anatomy only, right? Very good, my students, right? Yes, yes, my students, right. Now, see one more not question, right? We can go for the circular arrangement. We can go for the circular arrangement. What is a circular arrangement? Once you see, right? Circular arrangement. Circular arrangement. Circular sitting, somebody will say. Circular sitting, somebody will say. Circular seating, right? Yes. What is the circular arrangement means? So, this one is circular arrangement. Yes, my students, right? 4 persons are sitting. Yes. 6 persons are sitting, right? 6 persons are sitting. 8 persons are sitting. Yes, my students, right? 8 persons are sitting. Like that, some arrangements they will give, right? Circular seating we are doing, right? Circular seating we are doing, right? Now, see what is a circular seating means. Here you need to find. In circular setting, somebody will say inside the center. Seeing inside the center. Seeing inside the center. This is the center point. All are seeing inside. Some cases, some will say seeing away from the center. Outside the center. Somebody will say seeing outside. Seeing inside. Seeing inside. And this is seeing outside. Facing the center, we can say facing the center, we can say, and this is facing away from center, facing away from center. 2 possibilities are there. Yes, my students, right? We can discuss now facing the center. First, we can discuss facing the center. Afterwards, we can discuss, right, away from the center, right? Now, see what is the facing the center if you take here. So, what is the facing the center if you take here? What happens you see? Yes, suppose somebody facing the center. Yes, A, B, D, F, C, H. some arrangement is given. Yes, now my question is, yes my students, who is the immediate right of B? Immediate right of B. Immediate right. So here no matter immediate right or right, both are equal. Immediate left or left, both are equal. No immediate word will be place a separate rule here. Yes my students, right? Yes. Go anti-clockwise. If anybody asks, right has to be declared. Anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise if they ask about right. Go clockwise if they ask about left. Very clear point, very clearly once you see. When the circular arrangement is given, if anybody asks right, go anti-clockwise. If anybody asks left, go yes, go in clockwise. Immediate. So who is the right of B? Anti-clockwise. Who is the left of D? Clockwise. Yes, my students, right? If anybody asks about right, then immediately you can go for anti-clockwise. If anybody asks left, yes, you need to go for clockwise. Yes, my students, right to be located anti-clockwise and left to be located clockwise. Keep these 2 points in your mind. These two are very important points in circular seating. Anti-clockwise is right and clockwise is left. Yes, my students, who is the right of B? Who is the right of B? A. Who is the immediate right of B? A only, right. Yes, who is the left of D? Yes, this place. Who is the left of F? This place. Left means clockwise and right means anti-clockwise. Yes, my students, right? If you want to locate right and left, keep in your mind blindly. So right side means anti-clockwise, left side means clockwise. Yes, my friends, tomorrow we can discuss about this circular arrangement, right? Thank you all of you. Thank you very much.